Hey guys, it's RJ the Tech Reviewer here, about to do an unboxing and review of a cheap wireless receiver. So here's the module. And it's actually relatively very fast with the output voltage. And this type of connector is micro USB. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Let's see. There you go, micro USB to charge. So let's bring in my second phone. So let's show you guys how this works. So we're going to take the micro USB charger from the receiver. We're going to stick it in here. Hold on. I'm going to show you guys this. There we go. So we have the wireless charger all set up here and all that. So now you can place it on the back, or you don't have to, because the way it's actually going to charge, and you'll see in a second. And I'm only going to show it this way for the video, because you'll see why in a second. So here we go. We have the wireless charger here, and you'll actually, let me zoom in a bit. So we will take this wireless charger. You can place it upside, you can place it face down or not. And there you go. You hear the sound. And just so you guys can see that I'm not lying, it's like this. So I'm gonna take the front of the wireless charger and stick it onto the pad. And as you can see, it says charging. And I'll show you guys the screen. It says charging 90% right there. And now it's not charging. So this has been the unboxing and review of a kind of universal wireless charger. Because it's semi-universal, because it's got the micro USB part plugged into the phone. And I'll show you guys that. This was using micro USB. Which, let me see if I can. Here's the micro USB. So this has been an unboxing and review of a universal wireless charger. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.